everybody, thanks for coming by. This is going to be a total quick one today. I just got my mail and I had a box out there that I couldn't account for, which is not easy because you know I get a lot of boxes. But I was like, what in the world? And then it said FabFitFun, and I remembered about, at least a month ago, FabFitFun released their new logo. And they did a little contest in their community where they posted a little thing all about the new logo, and you wrote something underneath. And I went ahead and did it just to enter because why not? And they said that if you won, you got this little prize. And I won, and it came today. I haven't opened the box. I got notified like a month ago from them, and you had to sign a little release and send it back, and I did that and never gave it another thought. So that's got to be what's in this box. So I have undone the box, but I haven't gotten in it to see what it is. So let's see what it is. This is so exciting. I never win anything. So it was, of course, in all fairness, there were 100 winners. So it took a lot of winning to get me in there. But oh, that's cute. So what I apparently won is their new logo on the spring tumbler. So that's fun. It looks like it's just going to be a little thermal tumbler with straw. That's cool. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm never a winner. So it's a little thermal walled tumbler with their FabFitFun spring business on it with the new FabFitFun logo and a couple of straws, little permanent straws for it. So that is so awesome. I really am trying not to use straws out because, you know, better for the environment. So that is so pretty. It looks like it's a little 16-ounce tumbler. I think you can actually still, if you belong to FabFitFun, I think you can actually buy this online. Let's see. I think there's one other thing. Yep. And the other thing is the spring tote bag. Get this out of the bag. So it's just a little canvas bag with their spring artwork on it. It's really heavy and nice. And it has handles that you can hold short and a handle that you can hold long. That's really neat. I feel so lucky. There's a little zippered pocket inside. I mean, it's a really nice quality bag if you needed a nice canvas tote bag. And again, I think if you're a FabFitFun member, you can buy this online too. So that's what I won. That's so exciting. I'm a winner. I'm only excited because I'm never a winner. But that's all. I just thought I have a box and it was actually a surprise, so I would go ahead and unbox it. Thanks for coming by, guys. See you soon. Bye.